Good morning, everyone. My name is Kelroy James, and welcome to the Supply Chain Optimization Manager course. Now, I am a supply chain logistics and operations management professional with extensive experience in successfully delivering organizational change, building quality working relationships with key customers. I am a Percy Hobart Innovation Fellow and a DeFi talent with Frankfurt School Blockchain Center. I graduated from Aston University with a BSc Honours in Logistics and Operations Management, and I recently completed a MicroMasters in Predictive Analytics using Python with the University of Edinburgh. I write frequently on supply chain topics, and I'm currently a contributing writer to Trade Finance Global and the Data Driven Investor. Now, this course on Supply Chain Optimization Manager is designed to equip you with the necessary skills and knowledge to optimize supply chain management processes. The course is structured to cover key areas such as supply chain strategy development, demand planning, inventory management, transportation management, and supply chain analytics. There will be 10 modules, and the course outline for the first 5 modules is shown here. Now, throughout the course, you will learn how to develop and implement effective supply chain strategies that can help your organization meet its business goals. You will also gain insight into demand forecasting techniques and learn how to use data analysis to make informed decisions about inventory management and transportation optimization. By the end of the course, you will have a solid understanding of the key concepts and tools used in supply chain optimization. And you will be able to apply this knowledge to improve your organization's supply chain efficiency and effectiveness. We will cover in this first section the three main skills that you will learn over the course of this course. They are data analysis and modeling, inventory management, and supplier relationship management. First skill we will cover would be data analysis and modeling. Now, this skill involves understanding the various types of data that are involved in supply chain management and how to analyze them to identify trends and patterns. You will learn how to build and use models to forecast demand, optimize inventory levels, and plan production schedules. By the end of the course, you will be equipped with the skills to make data-driven decisions and improve supply chain performance. We will look at some case studies and examples of successful data analysis modeling in supply chain optimization. For example, Amazon, one of the largest online retailers in the world, they have implemented several innovative supply chain optimization practices, such as its predictive analytics and AI-based forecasting models. Some key learning points would include how to leverage data analytics to improve supply chain visibility, forecasting accuracy, and inventory management. Another company that has used data analysis modeling has been Coca-Cola. Now, the beverage giant has optimized its supply chain network to reduce costs and increase efficiency. Some key learning points that we will study would be how to include and design a supply chain network that balances cost and service levels. We will also study how to manage inventory across multiple locations and how to establish effective supplier partnerships. The second skill that we will cover will be inventory management. Now, you will learn the essential skill of good inventory management. This skill involves balancing the inventory levels to meet customer demand while minimizing costs associated with overstocking or stockouts. The course will cover topics such as forecasting, safety stock calculation, economic order quantity or EOQ, and lead time management. You will gain an understanding of how to use inventory optimization techniques to improve supply chain performance processes, reduce costs. Ultimately, this will increase the profitability of the organization. The course will also cover best practices for inventory management in various industries, such as manufacturing, retail, and e-commerce. The third skill, which is very important, is supplier relationship management. The importance of effective supplier relationship management cannot be understated. This skill involves building and maintaining strong relationships with suppliers to ensure the smooth running of the supply chain. Key topics covered in this session include developing a supplier segmentation strategy, negotiating contracts, and managing supplier performance. Participants will learn how to identify key suppliers, set clear expectations, and establish metrics to measure supplier performance. By the end of the session, you will understand the importance of strong supplier relationships in achieving supply chain optimization, and you will be equipped with practical tools and techniques to manage supplier relationships effectively. So to summarize, this Supply Chain Optimization Manager course will focus on teaching you skills to optimize supply chain management. One of the key skills you will learn is data analysis and modeling, which will enable you to analyze supply chain data and make better and more informed decisions. You will also learn inventory management skills, including how to manage inventory levels, optimize inventory turnover, and thus reduce inventory costs. Another important skill you will acquire is supplier relationship management, which includes managing supplier performance, developing supplier relationships, and negotiating supplier contracts. These three skills are crucial for supply chain optimization and will enable you to make strategic decisions and streamline supply chain processes. Overall, the entire aim is to teach you at least 15 different skills throughout the 10 modules of the course. I hope you enjoy the remainder of the course. I am looking forward to discussing these in the next sections. Please feel free to utilize the discussion area for any questions or comments and to engage with other participants who are taking this course. One of the best ways of developing your knowledge is also to be sharing knowledge with other persons who are taking a similar course as you. Thank you, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next lesson.